Should corporal punishment be banned? Yes, I agree because it can cause damages to the body of the child. Reasons why should corporal punishment be banned? First, hitting children teaches them to become haters themselves. Second, punishment distracts the child from learning how to resolve conflict in an effective way. I know parents were trying to teach them the right thing, but just because your kids do something that you're not happy about, you shouldn't hit them, or that makes the problem worse. They will be more afraid of you. The greatest chance we have to prevent violence in society is to raise children who reject violence as a method of problem solving, who believe in the right of the individual to grow in a safe environment. And that's all. Thank you.